Their real leader is somebody named Vigo Grimborn.
We're headed back to the island. On whose orders? Vigo's.
This guy, Vigo, he manipulated us like we were a bunch of inexperienced little kids.
Accepting defeat is the most difficult but necessary part of competition, Hiccup.
This ends now!
It ends now.
Give me the twin serve of purpose speech again, quickly!
That salt was properly pinched.
Your brain is properly pinched!
Well done, Hiccup. Our leader, Hiccup Haddock III.
There's three of them.
A fool.
Hiccup is no fool.
Is he eyeballing us?
He's always eyeballing us.
Game on.
Hiccup may not appear a worthy adversary, however, he is as formidable as they come.
Always remember, the needs of the many outweigh the needs of the few.